welcome back to IK Glitz. And for this video, I'm going to be doing my times table because you have to know your times table by heart to make your sums quicker. And today I'm going to be doing these numbers for my times table. So 2 times table, I'm sure everybody knows it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. And our 3 times table, so it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and 36. Now we're going to be doing our 5 times table. So I'm sure everybody knows it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Now we're going to bring our 10 times table. I'm sure everybody knows it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Now we're going to be doing our 11 times table. It's 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, and 132. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, share, and like. Bye!